Hi, Dave. Hello. We know it's your special day. We hope that you have a great day today. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, Tito Dave. Happy birthday, Tito Dave. Thank you for everything. We love you. Oh, nguso. Nguso, nguso. Mwah! Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Tito Dave. I hope you have a nice day. Bye!
Happy birthday, Dave. How are you? Just want to take this opportunity to thank you for all the love and care na binibigay mo sa family, especially sa mga kids, lalo-lalo na kay Rob, no? And we are so grateful and blessed na naging part ka ng family. So, hindi ko naman hahabaan itong greetings ko. Just want you to enjoy your birthday and God bless you always, okay? Kita kits next time. Happy birthday.
Birthday. Happy birthday, Sir Dave. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Dave, alam ko na hindi mo ito inaasahan ang ginawa ko. Maliit na bagay man ito, pero sa puso ko, napakalaki para sa iyo. Etong cake na to, ano man siya, yung fake man siya, pero sa puso ko, original ka para sa akin. Hindi ito peke na pagmamahal. At saka itong ginawa ko na greetings, napakahalaga para sa iyo dahil mahal na mahal kita. Happy birthday at hiling ko na bigyan ka ng more blessings para may bahagi mo rin sa amin. Maraming salamat at happy birthday again. Dave, anak, thank you and happy birthday ulit.
Uy, ito tayo muna tumayo.
Hi.
Hi, Dave. Happy birthday. Pasensya ka na sa tired ko talagang wala-wala na eh. Ngayon lang, maraming salamat sa lahat. Thank you so much.
Wait.
Dave, happy birthday and a Merry Christmas
And a New Year.
Happy birthday, Dave! Wish you good health and we miss you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
So, happy birthday. Ano na? And just want to say that I'm happy that you're in a good place and I wish you many, many more birthdays and many, many more inumans with me. You're doing so well. I see you progress and having a good partner, having 2 dogs, and just surrounding yourself with the right people finally. And yeah, ayun. I can't believe we've been friends for almost 10 years, and here we go. We're gonna keep drinking to that and enjoy. So today, we're gonna get drunk and celebrate life. Happy birthday, bro.
Hi, Dave. The one thing that I won't forget about you is your beaming, welcoming smile and your warm embrace. The first time I met Karkosha family, ikaw talaga yung pinakamaingay at pinakamalambing na yumakap sa akin. Short hair ka pa nun, and you look at the world with so much enthusiasm, and even if life throws you a lot of challenges and adventure, you are ready to face them with your intelligence, wit, and determination. And you did attain your dreams and you are successful. And despite of all those, you still remain humble with such a big heart. Perhaps your only weakness is, and also your strength is that you love unconditionally and all out for your family and friends. I love being your ate, Davy. I'm very grateful for you and Z for being there for me during moments of grief. And you have made it easier for me to cope, knowing that I am not alone and I have a lifeline to call when it becomes unbearable. Ulitin natin yung mga karaoke and wine tequila nights. Happy birthday. I pray you will have abundant blessings financially, professionally. May you have good health and may God grant you your heart's desire. May you always find your purpose in life. Andito lang si ate sa tabi mo. I love you, Davy. Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday, SF. I wish you all the happiness that you truly deserve in everything, in every aspect of your life. Your finances, your health, your partnerships, your business. God knows that no other person deserves it more than you do. You're a very giving person, and so I wish the universe gives more to you than you give to it. I wish we can celebrate many more years of your birthdays and hopefully my birthdays too. I'm really looking forward to all the years that we will still be together as friends. Thank you for everything and enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Bes! Happy birthday! Okay, so huwag masyado mabilib. Filter to, filter. Nakikiuso sa filter. Kasi, Bes, you know naman, I don't want my video taken at this time. No, but for the love of you, I will. So, anyway, I really just want to greet you a very happy birthday on this special day of not just yours, but ours. Okay. And I really just want to let everyone know who will be able to watch this video of how blessed I am to have you in my life. Actually, yun lang talaga, I have so many things to say, but all I could really say is that I'm thankful to God that we met back in 2006 with almost 2 decades of friendship, and here we are still having, the best kind of friendship. I love you for that. Thank you for everything. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave! Hindi, kamusta ka na, Kuya Dave? Parang kahapon na nandyan ako nung Pasko, nandyan kami. Kasama kami ngayon, nag-work kami, pagod. Pero alam mo, unang-una, thank you for existing. Siyempre kung wala ka, hindi ka namin mararanasan. And pangalawa, pakabait mong tao, kasi you welcome everybody and anybody in your life, giving them help, sustenance, assistance, even good company, 'di ba? And sobrang thankful ko na yung nagagabay din kay Dulce, kayo, 'di ba? At din si Kuya Weng, syempre. And mga mabuting ehemplo kayo. So sobrang thank you lang kasi meron siyang pinagmamanahan, pinagbabasihan na maganda ang ugali and mukha. And yun din, thank you din sa pag-imbita sa akin sa inyong bahay, sa busy lifestyle natin. Nagagawa nyo pa akong isama sa part ng family, pakilala pa sa mother ninyo. It's a privilege. So, thank you for that. And tulad nga sinasabi nyo, halagaan si Dulce, gagawin ko yun. And happy birthday ulit. So, si Dulce na pala.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dave. I love you so much and I wish you many more birthdays to come. Good health, more blessings, and love. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dave. Love you. Happy birthday, Uncle Dave. I love you.
Hi Dave, happy birthday. I hope you have a blast and we love you very much. We'll see you very soon.
Happy birthday, Dave. First time I met you, you were inside an oxygen tent. For the details, kwento ko na lang pag nagkita tayo. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi babe, happy birthday. Sana natuwa ka, na-surprise ka sa simple celebration namin for you. I know that for the past few days, nababanggit mo na parang wala man lang plano sa birthday mo or parang tahimik lang dito lang sa bahay and all. But yeah, this is for you. Alam ng mga tao na nakasama ka na you have a very kind and loving heart. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, sa family ko, sa family mo, sa mga kapatid mo, sa mga kaibigan mo. Maraming salamat. We are beyond grateful for having you in our life. Sobra namin na-appreciate yun. Nag-iisa lang ang Dave Carcosa, and I'm sure everyone will agree na iba yung feeling na if you know that you have this person in your life. So, maraming salamat sa lahat, babe. And I love you so much.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Birthday. We wish you a happy birthday.
I wish you a happiest birthday.
We wish you a very happy birthday.
Gets you.